Years since a 9-year-old girl nearly lost her life. That is Tashawn Nelson. She was shot in the head after another child brought a gun to the playground. She's had a long road to recovery. She's doing great, as you just saw right now.
1 year later, and charges have yet to be filed in her case. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Plake talked to the girl's family and prosecutors, and everybody's frustrated.
I want justice. Somebody needs to be responsible for what they did to my daughter.
Letitia Sladen says she's tired of hearing nothing can be done for her daughter, Tashawn, who was shot in the head last summer on a playground.
I mean, my daughter, she lived, but now here I am right now fighting for justice for her.
A boy brought a gun to the playground. From where, police can't say. The gun went off after the child tossed it to another boy. The worst day of Sladen's and her daughter's life.
What exists regarding safe storage laws is nothing.
Jackson County prosecutor Gene Peters Baker says that's why no one has been held accountable yet in Tashawn's case and many other instances where a child has harmed themselves or someone else after accessing an adult's gun.
Endangering the welfare of a child, there's a potential of that charge. If a child dies, there's the potential that we can bring in involuntary manslaughter based on the level of recklessness.
The Kansas City Police Department hasn't forwarded Tashawn's case to prosecutors because police can't recommend charges against the kids due to their ages. The only potential charge would be endangerment against a responsible adult proven to have had possession of the gun prior to the incident. Police told 41 Action News, quote, "At the moment, that criteria is unable to be met."
Kids don't know what they're doing, but I really believe that the parents are at fault. The parents are the ones to be blamed for this. That's who I'm actually going after, not the kids.
There are others that have happened that I've evaluated, and we couldn't get them over the legal line for filing. But those were cases where children died.
Peters Baker says if the lawmakers would act and pass a safe storage law, kids and our community would be safer. In 2017, lawmakers voted to do away with an 8-hour training requirement for gun owners. We reached out to lawmakers on both sides that represent Kansas City, but we didn't hear back.
I mean, somebody need to be held accountable for it because somebody shot my daughter. What if it was your daughter, your son?
Sarah Plake, 41 Action News.
We have been following Tashawn's journey from the very beginning. You can read more about her progress on KSHB.com.